algebraic expressions and identities. This is next chapter. Now we have to understand what are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are formed from variables and constants. The expression like this 2y minus 5 is formed from the variable y and constants 2 and 5. The expression 4xy plus 7 is formed from variable x and y and constant 4 and 7. Now the terms are added to form expressions. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors also. The term 4x is the product of 4 and x. The term 5 is made up of just one factor 5. The numerical factor of a term is called its coefficient. Now what is the coefficient? The numerical factor of the term is called coefficient. The coefficient of 7xy is 7 because constant term is 7 or numerical value is 7, which is multiplied with the variable. The coefficient in term minus 5x is minus 5. So we can find the coefficients. Now there are some terms. Monomials, expression that contain only one term is called monomial. Binomials, expression that contains two terms is called binomial. An expression containing three terms is trinomial, and so on. And there is important polynomial, an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient with variable having non-negative exponent is called polynomial. It means polynomial has variable and the power of variable is non-negative. That is, power of variable must be positive integer. A polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. Now there are few examples of monomials. 4x 3xy minus 7z 5xy 10y minus 9 a22 mnp etc. These all are monomials. Binomials having two terms a plus b. Here you see that two terms are possible when the terms are added or subtracted. As a plus b is binomial having two terms, but if you have a into b, then it will be a single term. A upon b, this will be also single term, monomial. But a plus b, it is binomial. A minus b, this is also binomial. 4l plus 5m, a plus 4, 5 minus 3xy, all these are binomials. Trinomials means there is expression contain three terms a plus b plus c. 2x plus 3y minus 5, x square y minus y x y square plus y square. It means if the terms are connected with addition or subtraction, then these are in counted form as one term, two term, three term. So a plus b plus c, this will be trinomial. A plus b plus c plus d, this is polynomial, like this. Now, like term and unlike term. Like term, an expression which has same variable part, which has same variable part. It will be different by its numerical part. Suppose we have 7x, its variable part is x and 7 is constant part. 14x, variable part x, 14. These are like term. Minus 13x, these are like, because these all are having variable x. So if we have variables in same form but constant may be in different, so we say that these terms are like term. 5x square and minus 9x square, these are also like term because both are having x square as a variable. 7xy minus 5yx, these are also like term. xy and yx are same variables. Now, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Only like terms can be added with the addition of their constants. You have to find like term and their constant, the coefficient will be added. As 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, and minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. You have to find in all these the like term. xy will be added with the term containing xy, yz will be added to the term yz containing yz, and so on. You can write these three expression like this: 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, and write like term below this: 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, and below it like term of the third minus 2xy will be below 7xy, and minus 3zx will be below zx plus 5x. Now adding 7xy minus 2xy, we get 7 minus 2, 5xy. Sign will be positive. 5yz plus 4yz, it will give you 9yz. And similarly 9zx minus 3zx minus 3zx, minus 3zx and minus 3zx will be added and we will get minus 6zx. Thus we get 9zx minus 6zx, we get plus 3zx, and 5x remains as it is, minus 9y remain as it is, because these are unlike terms. So this is the expression of this. Now there are few questions from exercise. Identify the term and find their coefficient. 5xy z square, here term is 5xy z square, its coefficient is 5. Term minus 3zy, coefficient is minus 3. Now you have to add this, you have to collect like term and then add them with their proper sign. There is a question: subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So first you write 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Below it write like term: 5x square will be written below 7x square, minus 4y square will be written below 8y square, and 6y will be below minus 3y. and then change the sign of the subtrahend. 5x square will become negative 5x square, minus 4y square will become plus 4y square, minus 6y will become plus 6y, plus 6y will become minus 6y, and minus 3 will become plus 3. So adding 7x square minus 5x square, you will get 2x square. Minus 4xy is having no like term there, so it will be written like this, minus 4xy. And now 8y square plus 4y square, it will give you plus 12y square, plus 5x minus 9y, 9y how, minus 3y minus 6y, minus 3y minus 6y, you get minus 9y. 5x is unlike term, so it will be as it is, 5x minus 9y, and 3 minus 3 become plus 3. So we change the sign of the subtrahend. Like this you can solve all questions. Your assignment is solve all, try these in your activity file and complete your exercise. That's all. Thank you. Have a good day.